Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the Pioneer TSW3004D4 12-inch Champion Pro Series subwoofer. Let's check it out. The Champion name has long been synonymous with the Pioneer brand and has always been known for its impressive performance. The new Champion Pro Series is designed to take bass performance to the next level. The TSW3004D4's impressive performance is only matched by a new modern design providing users with the total package. Some of the key features of this subwoofer are a lightweight, high rigidity cone, an improved dual layer elastic polymer and fibre hybrid surround, providing strength at high performance levels. Iconic red dual spider with long voice coil designed to provide extreme reliability over a long period of use. A dual 115-ounce double magnet and enclosed basket design to not only assist in long-term reliability, but also provide an impressive finish. A massive power rating of 2,400 watt max power or 800 nominal, and a recommended sealed enclosure of 35.4 litres or 42.5 for a ported enclosure. And there you have it, the Pioneer TSW3004D4 Champion Pro 12-inch subwoofer. Impressive new looks, industry-leading technology, and massive bass reproduction combined to ensure you'll be the one turning heads. Visit your nearest authorised Pioneer dealer or our website today for more information.